What's up, guys? What's going on? Today is September 24th. Coming in with this quick video. Just going to, just logged into this system this morning. And when I look up here, I can see the new text leads that are coming in that says 20 right there. And if I come over here to my dashboard, click on this dashboard here, you can see the online leads that are automatically coming in. I'm meant to go to the dashboard here, and you can see the leads. We're up to 482 automatically, and just starting today. This all happened on autopilot. I don't do anything, so none have come in as of yet. It's 8 in the morning. Yesterday, 43 leads came in there. So my job is to go through there and establish relationships and rapport with people, find out who's buyers, who's sellers. And one of the things that I'm going to do now with my new Inner Circle team is to show them how to start going after institutional buyers. All right. So that's that. Then I come over here, and this is what you could be doing every single morning. If you come in under me, that's great. Not that's great, but it's www.10dayhouseflipperleads.xyz. www.10dayhouseflipperleads.xyz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into this here, and we're going to, okay, looks like I got a message here from someone. Looks like there's a message here, and let's just see what this message says.
Yes, my name is Adele.
So this is another person that I'll come and speak to, have a phone conversation, maybe even meet him at Starbucks or something like that. And I'll come over here and I'll add him to a real buyers list over here, right? So that's what it is, guys. Just showing you under the system. Once again, I'm going to be I'm retiring from teaching people after this year. I've just decided I don't want to teach real estate. I want to teach personal development, people that they are conscious creators, and show people how to get everything that they want in their life, like someone taught me how to do. So hopefully you're looking at these things and you're seeing that everything you need is right in front of you guys. All right. That's my time. To your success, and God bless.